That shit's salty. Yeah, I'm tired. I licked my finger again and it is salty. Or I don't know what it is. I think I did maybe too many tomatillos because it's a little sour. Taste test. Huh. I need more cheese, I think. That's what it needs. Huh. It's not bad. Rice is fire. Not bad. I don't know about my. I don't know if he'll like it. Because I feel like that's like mostly what he eats is like Mexican food. So he might notice that it's not the best. Should I make him a plate for lunch tomorrow or no? It's okay. I think I did too many tomatillos. Does that make it a little sour? Because it seems a little tangy too, but salty, but not at the same time. I don't know. I feel like it needs more cheese. Hot. Kind of spicy. Spicy. I don't know. I'm tired though. I don't even want to clean my room. But I know I'll be happy if I do tomorrow. Or I should just get up early and do it. But they're okay. This is tomatillos, jalapenos, cilantro, onion, garlic, chicken bouillon, cream cheese. And then I put 2 avocados, or 1 avocado. It's a little spicy. I don't know if Bryce would have even ate it. Shit, what's spicy? The jalapenos? I only used 3. Sheesh. Yeah, cream cheese. A block of cream cheese and just blend it all together. Well, boil your veggies. Man, there's the fly. Come on, motherfucker. I'm tired. I'm a little tired. Should I force myself to stay up? Or nah, just get up early. I've been getting up early, like 6 in the morning actually, but I lay there. I don't have kids' shirts. I don't know, they could be better. They're missing something. I'm definitely not a cook. No matter what I try, I don't know what it is. I'm just not a cook. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like just some people just aren't a cook. I mean, I can try and follow this and do it. I just always fuck something up. I don't know how to explain it. I am just not a cook. I really just think I'm just not built for this shit. Steve. I'm already full. I'm ready for bed, dude. Fuck this shit. I think I might try to do a little bit, but I'm done ski, bruh. Yeah, I just can't cook shit. I really can't. I've tried so many things. I'll keep trying though. Maybe because I don't do it often. I'm full. I wasn't that hungry. That took forever. I'm tired now. I think it's because of the Red Bull I chugged it. And I'm crashing. Pretty sure. Crap, I gotta wait for this to cool before I can put it in the fucking fridge. I don't know, bro. This shit's kind of... Is it because I'm white? Is it because I'm white? Maybe. What that is, I don't know. Why does it look like that? I don't know. I couldn't tell you. I think it is because I'm white. It's hot. Hot tots. I'm going to have to let it sit. Me and Mr. Round get along so good. Bryce, are you not going to eat? Are you not going to eat what I made you? If so, put it in the fridge and eat it tomorrow. Do you want it or no? Huh? Right there. Just like chicken tacos pretty much.
Just got
This is hot.
You think I drank all of it? Yeah.
Let that cool down. I know, and I bought the big one too. I drank some too though. It'd be better if it was cold.
This lid could go on right.
Roxanne said yes. It's because I'm white. I think that's why. I'm supposed to be making country food. Probably. I am better at making white people food than like other food. Baby, quit throwing the pillows on the floor. I just came and picked all this up. You're gonna end up having to go upstairs. Actually, you do. Bro, I just came and picked all this up. You got to get upstairs.
I didn't put that on the floor.
You need to get upstairs. It's time for bed. Did you hear me? It's time for bed. I'm gonna get off here, y'all. I love you guys so much. Bye.